Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at another machine. We're going to look at Raven1. So we quickly start with discovering the IP address of the machine. Good, this is the IP address. Quick port scan. Let's document this information. Okay, so we found port 22, we found web, and we found RPC. Quickly, let's go ahead and try to perform a directory um, discovery. Same time, let's run it with GoBuster just to cover all the ground. Okay, we found that it has WordPress. View the source page, see if where there's anything of interest. Nothing. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so we know that there is WordPress. This is probably a tag vector that we could follow. That's the WordPress. That is useful. Let's look at the index page, see if there's any information. It just looks like a vanilla website. Look at the team. Okay, so from the team, we might be able to have a list of username from the team. Let's look at this page source code. Okay, so this is just a hashed value. Doesn't really mean much to me at this stage. Okay, so this is interesting here. We had a list. We could easily compile a list of username. Okey-dokey. Let's have a look also if there's anything. That's the WordPress, the directory for the WordPress. That's where we were. Good. So since it's WordPress, this could be a very classical case of using WP scan. So what I would do is WP scan. Okay, so that's a bit too complicated. WP scan dash dash URL. It is HTTP. It was 192.168.0.27. Yes, that's the one. What I would do at the beginning is I will try to enumerate the users. And when you try to enumerate the users, hopefully you would end up having a set of usernames. That's what I found. I found these two usernames, Michael and Steven. What I can do now is here Let me create a list or a file. Uh, let's call it users or usernames. And inside our type, Michael, Stephen. Is there anything else we found here? Doesn't sound like it. So Michael and Stephen. Good. The next step is potentially to try then to brute force it now. Dash dash user. So the syntax you might check it online as well. User names or the file dash dash pass. So if you look at it here, wp scan dash dash help, you will see that's dash dash username, then a list of username, then we can use dash dash password and followed by the password file. That's for the enumeration. Okay, so dash dash passwords, passwords. Let's use user share the fast track one. Word lists fast track .txt. Is there anything else we need? This is the directory where the WordPress is according to my scan here. And that should be it, if I'm honest. We can specify the threads, how many threads. Let's go for 40, for example. Try to speed up the process. It might take a bit of a time to crack the password, but eventually we should be able to crack it. I will pause the video till the cracking finishes, then I will resume it. Okay, so what we have now is a valid set of credentials, I guess, as you can see here. So let me copy this and put it inside the text file for my information. That's really good. So Stephen Pink 84. So I remember also that I have SSH. So potentially what we can do is try to SSH using these credentials. That's what I'm going to do. SSH using Stephen at 192.168.0.27, and the password was pink 84. Yep. Fabulous. We had a shell that is really good. Let me try to upgrade my shell. So that's would be my TTY upgrade. Let me copy and paste the command. It's the Python one. Fabulous. Now let's see ls pwd. We know where we are, ls-all. So the next step for us is privilege escalation. Let's look at, so we know that, okay, the other user is called Michael. I don't know if we have access to access, oh, sorry, we have permission to access his home folder. Probably we have -all. We have, that's really good. That's really interesting. Let's see what kind of sudo -l. Interesting. So we can run Python. We can run Python as a root. That is very, very, very useful. So the options for us now are massive. Let's quickly check GTF probably GTF will give me a quick solution here. GTF Python sudo. So with sudo, yes, if we try this, that's potentially that will spin a shell for me quickly. Let's try it. Yes, I'm a root now. That's good. So that was a very quick machine. Shows you how to use WP scan to crack the password. Hope that you enjoyed it. See you in the second or other videos. Bye for now.